सब गाइस मैं वापस अपनी एसएमपी में आ गया हूँ। यो 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 हु हाँ ये से
I am Herobrine.
Yeah.
I want help.
you want
You know that can I use your chest because I have no space in my inventory. What?
say what do you help?
I need a help because your friends can and you can help me
Yeah, I can help you.
because where is your friend?
My friends are not. Yeah. Okay.
There are offline here.
Yeah.
Okay. When there are you online,
Yeah.
then you can tell me.
But I don't have friends. I have only 2 friends. Dragon Gamer and it's what's
I am
toy.
telling that is also Dragon Gamer is trying to killing me because
No, I will say him to no.
you didn't say.
I say.
I have in HP of 1 heart. I can I tell in Hindi?
No problem. Say.
क्योंकि मैं ना भी बस मेरा बस हाफ हार्ट है और वो ड्रैगन गेमर्स मुझ पर अटैक करने आ रहा था। मैं ना बचते मुझे लगा कि मैं एंट्री 3 के पास जाऊँ, इसलिए बचते आया हूँ।
उसकी तो बैटरी टांग उसको तो मार दूंगा।
नहीं उसको मारो मत, मुझे ना बस ये क्लियर कर दो कि मतलब वो सब लोग मेरे मतलब दोस्त बन सकते हैं क्या? क्योंकि मेरे
वो लोग बहुत हरामी है।
नहीं
वो लोग नहीं बन सकते।
नहीं क्योंकि मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं ना, मेरे सारे भाई, वो सब लोग मेरे ऊपर अटैक करने आए और साथ में ड्रैगन भैया भी।
भाई इतने सारे लोग मैं हैंडल नहीं कर सकता, इतने सारे लोग लिटरली।
लेकिन देखो मतलब जब भी मैंने ना एक्सपर्ट भैया से बात की ना,
हाँ।
तभी उन्होंने बोला कि वो मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हैं। अगर ड्रैगन गेमर्स मान जाएगा तो अच्छा रहता है यार।
और क्या?
हाँ तो रुको, मैं भी ऐसे निकलता हूँ।
Bye. You stay here. Here is 5 houses, 5-6 houses.
Okay.
I will give you 2 houses.
अबे तू बोलते हो कि मैं लीव होके उसको बुलाता हूँ, अने तो मारिश के मारो नाम राखी देता।
हाँ, I am leaving. I am calling him. Which friend are you telling?
जैसे तो उसको
Which friend?
Fine ना, TV girl.
Which friend you are talking about?
I am telling Dragon भैया.
Dragon Gamers. Yeah.
Okay, then leave.
Okay, I am calling him. Oh no, please.
Call. Okay, तो I am Herobrine.
Oh no. Oh shit.
I am not killing you.
Why?
Wait a second.
Why? I am scared from you.
No, your friend entity.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he is my best friend.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, I am also leaving my wait a second.
આ જાય છે એની તેનો બર્થડે છે.
You see that
Sit here.
Nah, see here.
Yeah.
My all brothers had cut my half head.
Oh no. I gave
What
you
are
medicine.
you doing?
I gave you medicine.
No, and NT303 had gave me medicines.
Oh.
He is your best friend. We are fighting with each other and then we were friends.
Yo.
And your expert gaming expert at the rate. So you can help me. My all brothers are helping are killed to me and you also.
Trying kill to you and me.
हाँ.
And
Try. No. Try. my brothers is trying to kill me and you also trying to kill me.
No, I'm not.
You had.
Oh.
I am only half heart now.
Oh.
We are PvP with each other, you know, PvP.
Yeah.
That is why एक्सपर्ट भैया मतलब एक्सपर्ट भैया तो मान गए. So you can help me or not?
I can help you. Yeah. That is no problem.
But no. But you didn't kill me. Okay.
Okay.
I am testing. You have enchanted armor of iron or something. No, I didn't. You can PvP with me.
Again?
Yes.
Wait, I'm not.
You are not ready.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait.
Your friend entity is also we are also we are also PvP with each other.
Okay.
And then we are friends. So I want to test your kills ability.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, start.
Stop. Practice.
Oh man. I will not die.
My is only half heart damage I have given.
Oh no, water.
What? Wait a second.
No, this is PvP. We can't wait a second. Oh no, wait. Oh no. Oh no, I don't have arrows. Can you give me arrows? Can you give me?
No, this is PvP, bro. Your friend entity has no arrows, but he's
So say.
but
Say. Oh no man. Wait. What you are telling? Say first.
okay,
Say.
I am saying. I am
Wait.
saying.
Say.
We have fight with each other, but he is true pillar. He had no arrows, but he didn't defeat me, and the true lizard is tied now. Tied that. He said I am not doing. So now attack me. Attack.
Oh no, there is too much test, man.
I have didn't and enchanted armor. You have enchanted, but you cannot defeating me. But you cannot defeating me.
Oh no, I can't sing anything. Oh no, do not use bow. Do not use bow.
Why? This is PvP, bro.
Okay.
एक्सपर्ट में भी यही बोलते हैं.
Okay.
PvP it is. PvP. What? You have knockback. I have also knockback too. Wait a second. I want to tell a thing. You can help. मेरे पास हो गया?
Yeah, but you can kill it.
No, I didn't kill it. Truly, you can. I did killed. Where are? Here. Hi.
Oh,
You and Edward भैया are मतलब true players. You can Edward भैया can defeat me.
yeah, he can't defeat you.
Okay.
Oh, why you are killing me? Wait, no. Man,
No,
wait.
this is PvP.
Wait a second. What I doing?
Oh, wow.
Wow. I have pro skills.
I have also. I am
Use
the
your powers,
legend. No, I have not powers because my power is upgrading. Wait a second.
No.
Arey no, I want to tell a thing of my powers.
Say.
My powers has captured my brothers has captured my powers. Wait a second.
I can see, but I will defend you.
You can defeat me.
Oh no. Oh no.
You can't defeat me, bro.
Why I can't defeat you? I have.
Pro skills. You have pro skills.
Oh no, man. I will die. So you can't take my
Yes, I didn't take, but you can take your.
Okay. Okay, please come here. I will.
Wait a second.
We can't say. We can't wait. Sorry, Hero Prancer. We can't wait. Can you guys call Notch?
No. Noj is also killing me
Why, ba? All you are killing you, man.
because. एक minute. Wait a second. I am. अरे
This is PvP.
I want to tell with that the Notch has.
You can take. You will say a few few
You
hours.
know? No. Wait a second.
No, I can't
No.
wait. This is PvP, and I want to defeat you. I want to top 1 legend.
You can't be. Top 1 legend has so many powers.
That is not.
No. Top 1 is iron.
Oh no.
Top 2 is not.
Oh man. You are using bows. That is illegal. I will kill dog.
Kill. Yes, he will. My pets are also killed by Nodge. My pet dog is also killed by Nodge. I have Bridget and family also. My family also is killed.
Wait, I want to talk about you. Wait, please, I want to talk about you.
Okay.
See,
Wait a second.
what is your mom's name?
My mom's name is Hero Brandness.
What?
Hero Brandness.
And your dad?
Hero Branded. Hero Branded.
Oh,
And my name is Hero Brand.
yeah.
My powers are taken by Nodge also.
Oh, not
Because an entity powers are also taken by Nodge.
oh.
Because none, and that is also because
Null is too powerful from you.
I have killed Null 200 times. We are battling.
Yeah,
I have
I
killed.
know. I am watching your videos. You are fighting with Null and
Null.
DD303.
No, an entity is now my friend. I didn't
Yeah,
kill him.
but a few months, years. Yeah.
You and you I have 2 dogs.
Yeah.
My pets are dead, but not yet killed because the player of Crouchman and Minecraft are it is we that are scared of me because Noj is removing me from the Minecraft
Why?
because I am scary. But
Null is also too scary.
no,
From you.
Null is I have removed Null.
Notch is your brother, no?
Null.
No,
No.
Notch.
Notch is not my brother. It is my enemy. My old brother is now my enemy. He had taken my powers also.
No, Netherite Herobrine. only.
Netherite Herobrine is also mine. And I have defeated it. It is and I have Netherite armor full. But I can't I can't it. I can't.
I want my vest and leggings are too damaged. You are too powerful from you.
I have diamonds. I can give.
No, I have.
See these wolves now.
I have bones.
No, I didn't. No, because my
Okay. Come with me.
because अगर उन लोग अगर my best friend or one of them team that so will I removed from the Minecraft
Come
and
here.
because I have so much diamond given by entity.
Yo. Come here. Jump.
Wait a second, water. Okay, I have come.
Oh no, my water. Oh no.
Sorry.
No problem. No.
Sorry.
Come here.
I'm coming.
Come this home.
We and I and entity had a common relationship because it is my brother. It is my real brother.
Who?
Entity.
Oh. No, I have leggings. I have.
I can give you. I have so much diamonds.
No, I also have. I have 64 and 13.
And what is this preparation?
We are trying to kill you, but you are friend of entity, so
So then kill me.
no.
Kill me.
No, you are too much power.
Kill.
Sorry.
I have not powers. I'm not powers.
No, please.
I have given and
Take my all damage, but
no. I have diamonds. I have
take my
64.
all thing.
No.
But please leave me. Please leave me. Take
No,
this.
take this. I have. An entity is your friend. But why are you killing me?
Because entity also have help. That's why he tell.
Entity and me are now friends, but you can help me because. Okay, bye. Okay,
Take my
you are not helping me. Okay.
I will help you.
No, you are preparation to kill me.
No, I will not kill you. Come back.
I am going. Bye bye.
No. Now take my all things, but
No. You take. I have.
Herobrine, please don't go. Herobrine, you are my best, but I know you are my brother. I am small. You leave me.
You leave. I leave.
Yeah.
I am leaving only.
No.
See me.
No, my.
I am
No,
leaving.
my brother.
No, मेरे पास मत आना. मैं उड़ा दूंगा.
No, you are my brother.
No, you are preparations to kill me.
Because Herobrine is telling, no, I don't have anything.
You don't have. हाँ बोले छे.
Dog, please.
I have to kill you.
No, you
Wait
are.
a second. You can call entity.
Bye. But say no. Why?
I have to tell entity something, okay?
Okay.
And you didn't kill me, okay?
Okay, I will not kill you. Please leave me, please. I am calling entity. Okay, I am leaving. You. Whose sound that? Oh, Herobrine, my brother, what happened?
You and your friends are trying to kill me. You had also preparations.
No, I didn't kill
Dragon
you.
Gamers has tell me, and it is telling to leave me. And you know, Nod is also tell to to I am going in 2 days. I am exiting to Minecraft. Nod is deleting me.
No, I will kill Notch.
Nod also he kills you. Not just and I have no powers now.
But I have no.
No, you have also no, because Nod has taken all legends from the powers.
But Dream has their skills. Yep, no?
No,
Yeah.
Dream has no. Dream is also legend, but it is also gone. It has no powers to parkour.
But
And you also know you have power to lightning, no? You have power to lightning bolts, no? Lightnings,
yeah, and black hole.
black hole. You
I
can
am writing. I can't use the power.
because Nod has taken from the powers.
Oh no, man! What
And see my
he'll
health.
do now?
And see my health. I have didn't my Dragon Gamers and I have PvP.
You want new armor?
No, I didn't want because I am deleting in 2 days Minecraft.
Take, I am gifting you.
मैंने नहीं चाहिए. I
Oh,
am
please.
leaving.
No, no, you are my real brother. You know, no.
No, entity you are the now legend. I am not. I am deleting.
No, brother, I can't delete you.
मेरे पास मत आओ, मैं मार दूंगा. ड्रैगन गेमर्स मरते मरते बच्चे.
Oh no, man. Why you are killing me?
Because I am deleting and मेरे पास कोई नहीं आ सकता.
Me. I will come. I will come.
You will come.
Yeah. Yeah, I am helping you. I will help
No.
you.
You didn't try.
I am your small brother.
No, you are my brother, but you are killing me.
No, I can't kill you.
You have preparations also.
That is few 5 days.
No, that preparation to kill my brothers and me.
But your brothers are your enemy, no?
हाँ, and also me also na.
No, you can't leave me.
No, okay, I'm not leaving. But Dragon Gamers, what? Dragon Gamers are trying to killing me.
I will kill him.
No.
He is my small brother.
No, you didn't kill he.
Okay, I will can't kill. But wait, you're trying to kill me. I know.
Because you didn't kill me, it is also my friend. But it is doing what I do then. You can call export here.
It's now sleeping time. Where are you from?
I am
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Oh, I am from America. So here is night 3 p.m. And your country how many time?
My country, but I country has day.
Oh, your day I have night. What are you doing?
I
What are you doing? Come.
so the preparations is for my brothers, no? Why do you kill me?
Sorry.
I am best. Okay, so I am sleeping. Bye-bye.
Okay,
I am sleeping.
I am also. I will lock the door.
Then you called.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Then you can call. Sorry. Sorry.
No problem.
I am telling that. Then now you can call them.
On. But here is night and he is my. He is sleeping now. I am in my room and he is in his room. Wait a minute, I am seeing him. He is sleeping.
I am leaving.
Why?
Can we pee?
What?
Because I didn't know my powers are gone.
You can take my powers.
No. I have natural powers, but not just taken. I have didn't powers.
Sorry.
You have also not powers.
So all legends will try.
Die.
No,
All legends
try
will
to
die.
kill the Notch.
No.
All legends.
All legends are trying to kill me.
No.
अरे भाई ऊपर सुनामी. Why are you subtitling Hindi?
What I know.
Come with me. Fight.
No, you have too much skills.
I didn't have. My powers are my skills. But I didn't have.
Okay, come
this is its
to
house.
PvP. 3, 2, 1, start.
No,
Start.
wait a second. Expert beer room is this?
Yeah, house?
Ah, yes.
No.
Where
His
is-
house is in under construction.
Under
This.
construction. This is. Oh.
Yeah. And my house, no, I have two houses.
Okay.
That and that. Why you are beating me?
PvP. This is PvP, bro. Yeah. Wait a second. Water.
Yeah. You are. I'm not. Why am?
I can give.
No. Kill me.
No, I didn't. I want to just PvP with you. I want to see where is my skills.
Kill me. I want to die. I wanted to die.
No,
Kill me.
no, I didn't kill. No.
Kill me, never I will die.
Huh?
I am going to die. Bye.
No. No, and daddy, sorry. Come.
No. Ooh, no.
Please.
No,
Come.
I will die.
I also died. Please and daddy, sorry.
No.
And daddy. तू आ जा तू.
Okay, you are telling me. Oh, good go.
Come. अयो कुछ वो where are
हो 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 ओ
एक मिनट मैं आपको लेके जाता हूँ एक मिनट एक जगह रुको एक मिनट एक जगह रुको
oh kill me
no I did okay now you can call please
no yeah America is night
no America he please
no he will take bat and he will beat me no he is so angry from me from 1 month.
why
You don't know because I am stealing his food and that all. So
no
he is,
I can help you
no
can you just call him
he will
no call him I want to PvP he's overpowered so I am also overpowered
he is in real life. Oh.
He is overpowered so I am also overpowered
So guys मैं आपको नेक्स्ट पार्ट आएगा ठीक है बाय बाय.